After reading this, you'll never put toilet paper on a toilet seat again. Some public toilets can be neat and clean, while others may look really disgusting. Of course, no one wants to sit on the toilet knowing that previously there were thousands of people. Well, what do you do in such situations? Are you putting toilet paper, believing that it is cleaner? New studies show that this practice is completely wrong. Toilet paper and other materials put on the toilet seating are even dirtier. The paper placed on the seating of the toilet makes it dirtier than if you sit directly. You're amazed and wondering how this could be. Believe it or not, the toilet seating is designed to stay clean. Their shape and material from which they are made are able to kill bacteria. In fact, they cannot survive there. On the other hand, toilet paper which we put on the seating is quite another story. Soft and spongy materials from which it is made is a convenient place for germs and bacteria. By sitting on the paper, rather than on the seat, you actually sit on more bacteria. By comparison, sponge for washing dishes may contain 200,000 times more bacteria than a public toilet seat. Science proves this. Sitting on the toilet cup does not cause infection, said William D. Paulo, assistant professor of immunology and microbiology at the Faculty of Medicine at the University of Southern California. Many of the bacteria that are present on the surface of a toilet or other parts of the bathroom are not transmitted easily through the skin. Basically, the bacteria need a wet and preferably warm place to live. The seating on the toilet has neither one nor the other. The surface has no holes that could absorb water, and we know that this place is never warm. Wash hands to prevent germs. The simplest and most effective way to avoid germs is to wash your hands. Despite this, it is important to dry them off as well. As far as the electrical devices for drying hands are concerned, they can be dirtier than the toilet, primarily because people touch the button with wet hands that allow the spread of germs. There are many other places that you should be worried. Despite bath and dishwashing sponge, there are a lot dirtier places that you should worry about. Here's what to look out for. The sink in the kitchen. Here we wash meat and other foods that carry large bacteria. Have you ever cleaned the gutter? Bacteria live right there. Not to mention the tap or handle of the faucet. Believe it or not, you should clean your sink in the kitchen at least twice a week. Planes, including their toilets, the curtains for the windows, and tables. Small spaces, especially the toilets, have many parts that are difficult to clean, which indicates that they are particularly dirty. Your mobile phone. According to Charles, a microbiologist at the University of Arizona, mobile phones contain 10 times more bacteria than most of the seating of toilet bowls. Wet clothes, especially underwear. When you move the clothes from the washing machine to the dryer, your hands may have the bacterium Escherichia coli. One germ can be sufficient to tackle all clothing that is in the machine. The best way to protect yourself from this is to use bleach on all your white clothes, and to wash the bottom separately. If you liked this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family.